and then EURGBP. So this one is pretty iffy. Same sentiment. We had a lot of bearish movement, and then we have this crazy bullish candle right here, and it's like literally stopped right at this zone and right at the EMA. So you would think that, you know, just you'll want for it to just, you know, do its due and then go short because it's at a zone at the EMA. It's probably a weekly fib level as well. But when I look at the daily look a little iffy. The daily looks like it's legitimately about to turn bullish, and like it kind of has turned bullish, but I like for my bullish confirmations to be set with a like full market structure, not just a break of a high, but full market structure, you know. And so honestly, what I would wait for this pair, I might be looking for it to turn bullish, man. I might be looking for this to be completely honest with you. I might be looking for EURGBP to change its bearish sentiment and to catch the wave of a lifetime and hop on a bullish run. That's probably what I would look for on that. And you know, if not, then it can dance, do us a little party up here, and then break and then come back. So that's my those are my two biases right here for EURGBP, is for it to break above, retest the level, and then, you know, continue bullish, or for it to dance. And when I say dance, I mean dance at this level for a very long time. Like, I'm on a daily right now, so probably this whole week and possibly next week, and then give me a break and retest. So or like some kind of fundamental is going to come out and just completely shift the market. So that's that.